I understand. Truly, I do. I'm steady searching, searching, searching for you. Why you won't reveal yourself to me? I need to know. Are you all right? I wonder, are you feeling low? I know you're looking for me. You can't deny. Simply because, as a tear about to fall from my eye. Don't worry, though. Not that far. You've already seen I can find my beautiful star. I could see your eyes right now as I speak. You must understand the reason why I seek. You will see me again. You must believe this. It will be like the first time we met. Truly you understand the reason I adore you. Because you make me sweat. Compassion, warmth, sensitivity is what you give. Truly you understand what it is. I know you pretend. You're afraid to let yourself go. But you know, if you do, I'll catch you, and that's for sure. You're sexy, vibrant. I know you're ready to do the things that I want to do. But I can tell when you're pretending, and you know that it's true. I just want you to make your decision. Make it careful. Know that you're right. Because truly, you already know who guided you to the light. I want to kiss your lips. I want to put my arms around your hip. I want to kiss your breast. Please say yes. Oh, I see her. Scintillating. As it begins to come down, I hear her calling out my name. Please don't think I'm a clown. Why would I think that? I know what you yearn. I know what you desire. I know what you feel is way much higher. Come here, girl. Let me enjoy your time. Let's make love, and let me relax your mind. I know who's speaking right now. You can't pretend. Yeah, that's one of my old school friends. From the past, we're back again. And I'm feeling as though she is in. Oh, she's not afraid to do what you want to do. She's more like excited at it. But will you keep it true? Of course I do. Truly, you already know how much I adore her. So, until we speak again, my love, ta-ta.